might be down.
Oh, okay.
All right, we're ready. This is Hannah at Homespun Hobbies on her website, homespunhobbies.com.
Yes.
Okay, tell us what's happening.
So I am attempting to take it from a Google site to a Square site. That is my attempt. But I'm paying for the Google domain name, but then Square is also charging me monthly for the domain.
For
or
what
whatever.
domain? For the same domain?
Yeah, for homespunhobbies.com. I don't know.
So you're being charged in two places for Homespun Hobbies?
For a website that's not even working. So,
And the website's currently down?
Yeah, it gives you like a 404 message.
Yeah, I got the 404, yeah.
Yep. So, because Square and Google apparently don't like each other, I have to redo the entire website on Square, just kind of say bye to my Google website.
Right.
But that is taking a lot longer because Square's a lot more intricate.
Square's a lot more complicated because it's actually e-commerce, right? Yeah.
So I hate technology.
But you do like technology when
I don't have to do the work.
When you don't have to do the work.
When I have.
And what's
virtual storefronts.
Virtual storefronts here. This is technology without the work.
This is what we want.
This is what we, yeah, thank you.